Give me food now! You dumb chef!
I'm not dumb. Just for that, you're not getting no food.
Okay, you wanna touch these hands? You wanna hit bottom? Okay.
So do you want me to get my butcher knife?
Oh heck yeah!
Let's see if
Let's
I
hit your bottom with it. Cause your cooking sucks. Yo, his cooking sucks.
I probably couldn't find a butcher knife, but I could find a lightsaber.
A lightsaber? Ha! I got something better.
I'm gonna kill your dumb dog.
No! Don't kill my dog! No!
You said my cooking's done.
No! No!
Die in peace. Now you have food. I'm gonna cook him. Or do you want to have a funeral? Or should I burn him in a fire?
How about we throw these hands?
Go want some more?
I've got my weapon here.
Heck no, I don't got my lifesaver. I'm sorry. He's not dead. I
They
faked
grabbed
it.
the lightsaber. Oh my goodness! He will kill my dog.
No, it was a fake lifesaver. I just put him to sleep.
Oh yeah! Now he's dead. Oh, look what you did, bro.
Ow. I'm so sorry.
He's dead now. Look what you did.
That was you.
Look what you did.
Look what you made me look like. I will kill you.
Wait, did he actually lose his other eye?
You made me lose my eye.
I made you lose your eye. You want to hit and bottom?
I quit being your chef.
Fine. If that's how you're gonna leave, I'm out of here.
Get back. I tricked you. I'm gonna kill you.
Wait! No! Stop, please. Don't do it. Please don't do it.
Ah?
No!
Now wake up. Wake up. Wait, you're asleep forever. Haha. Now, I faked it. I don't got my eye out. Now I can slap his dead body. This is his dead body.